Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Telegram X app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you just keep going down here. Then you click here on privacy and security here. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down here. Then you come here to suggest here frequent contacts. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean for suggest frequent contacts enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.